Hello guys. So in this channel we're going to talk about ways to make money. Genuine ways how you can make money. Not topics like, become a billionaire in one day, become a millionaire in one day. Not things like those. But genuine ways how you will be able to make money. We often see videos in YouTube where it said, make $1 million in 1 year, make, 1 month and become a billionaire in 2 months. Those things are not true. A lot of those things are actually false. And what happens is that we go out, you work for it, you work very hard for it, and eventually you're left with no results. So that's very disheartening. But in our channel we are going to talk about different ways to make money, especially on Fiverr. And on top of that, we are also going to talk about some technology news, sometimes some important news. And most important of all, in every one of my videos I am going to reveal uh, at the end at any moment near the end, a brand new gig with extremely low competition in the end. So you might ask me, why am I doing this? I will just increase competition and all that because I like helping people. What can I say? And nobody can take your talent away from you. If you're talented, if you are more talented than me, if you learn a skill and if you make more money, then it's your credit, you deserve it. Who am I to take that away from you? So I don't have any right to take that away from you. I don't have any right to stop you. So in this case, what I would like to say is, not all of them, but a lot of them are actually making exaggerating promises to you. I mean, there is no way you'll be able to make hundreds and thousands of dollars in just a few months. Maybe not, but yes, maybe you will be able to make quite a few $1,000 or quite a few $100 in a few months. And who knows, within a year you'll be able to make thousands of dollars as well. That might also be possible realistically if you give it some little time and if you develop your skill properly. Remember, currently it's a pandemic situation. People don't they don't have work, they don't have jobs, they don't have anything. So people are going through a lot of hardships. So if it's like that, if you don't develop your skill properly, if you just jump into the market and you expect that you are going to instantly get hired, you're going to instantly get paid, you're going to instantly make millions, or you're going to copy and paste some videos, and then you're going to make a lot of money, those things aren't true. Maybe they were a thing of the past. Maybe you could have done them, but now it's not true anymore. You can't do that anymore. So in this channel, what we're going to do is we are going to concentrate on genuine money making tactics, genuine skills through which you will be able to make money. And the first skill I'm going to talk about is real estate lead generation. So currently we know that there has been a real estate boom. This is because as people are out of money, most of the big gun companies, the big companies, they are buying houses at a very cheap rate. So once the situation gets normal, these houses will be worth millions more or worth hundreds and thousands of dollars more. So the real estate market is booming, as well is the real estate lead generation market. They are both booming. For example, so what is real estate lead generation? Real estate lead generation is the process through which you generate the name, email and address of a particular individual who wants to sell their real estate property and who have given it up for sale in different websites such as Zillow, Trulia, Homes.com, Realtor.com, etc. So what I will do is we will visit all these sites step by step and we will learn the process of real estate lead generation step by step. But this is the basic. The basic is you will have to extract the name, email ID and the phone number of people who are willing to sell their homes, and then give them to a reliable real estate agent so that he is able to contact them and he can help them sell it at a good price. So since selling a real estate property will give you a substantial amount of money, it will definitely increase your chances, it will give you a substantial amount of money, so the payment is good. And health leads involve leads, contact information of doctors, where you will give different contact information of doctors to different medical companies who will then basically use these informations to sell their products, or to promote their products, promote their medicines, promote their, all the products that are medically important to be sold, such as medical equipments, etc., towards these doctors to increase their sales. So both real estate lead and the health leads are now in high demand. They are in high demand right now, and these are two skills you can learn quickly to make money. So since this is an introductory video, I would like to say I will talk about real estate lead generation, health lead generation, and I shall also discuss some tech news with you. But what I will do is there will be a certain week, or in every one of my videos I'm going to talk about a certain gig on Fiverr which with the low competition, which has very low competition. I'm going to talk about that. And I'm going to talk about that, and then and in any part of the video. So you should keep watching, because you don't know where I'm going to talk about it. But I will give away a gig in Fiverr which has very low competition, but it has good demand. I'll give out a gig like that in every video of mine. Sorry about that. I'll give out a gig like that. So yeah, that's all I have to say. So stay tuned with us, subscribe to the channel, and if you want some latest technology news, stick with us. If you want to make money, stick with us, and all that. And I would like to say there are a lot of people who are trying to sell you expensive courses, very, very expensive courses, and what you can do is practice first. If you practice and then if you're still unable to grasp it, then go for the course, no problem. But don't go for a course without practicing anything. So further down in this channel I will also show you how you can practice properly, make a portfolio of your own properly, how you can do that live. I'm going to show it to you live on screen, and different tricks and tips, like how are you going to get more jobs on Fiverr, how are you going to get your order quickly, what to do as a beginner, and how are you going to make money on YouTube as well. I will also discuss and analyze some of the channels and some of the tricks people are using to make money, some sub niches you can explore and stuff like that. It'll be fun, it'll be a lot of fun, trust me. So that's it, that's all I wanted to say. So very soon we're gonna up a video on real estate lead generation, and I hope you stay with the channel, because in every video I'll be giving away a very small, in any part of the video I'll be giving away a gig which has minimum competition and maximum demand, a lot of huge demand. I'm gonna give away that, but for that you have to watch the entire video, or else you won't be able to find it. Okay, so watch it. I mean, you'll find the gig, and make some money. Who knows, you can make a lot of money as well, in the near future. Within a year you might make a lot of money. You might, I'm saying it, you might. I'm not an expert, but I'm good in certain fields of research, and the parts that I'm good in are the ones I'm going to discuss with you in the future. Okay, stay tuned.